Hey guys, it's time to showcase another painting. Today I have an 11 by 14 inch canvas here that's been painted and sealed with numerous coats of a polyurethane gloss varnish. I've brought it outside in order to showcase the gorgeous metallics in this painting, and we're doing an up-close view in order to see all those gorgeous details. I will be adding this painting to my Etsy shop later today, so be sure to go over and check that out. And while you're there, I'd appreciate it if you browsed around a little and favorite some of the items in my shop. I haven't been getting very much traffic to my shop, so it would really help me out if you browsed and favorited some of the items. This will help change the algorithm so that more people will be directed to my shop, and hopefully I will make a sale. I haven't sold anything in quite a while, and therefore I haven't been very motivated to paint or post anything, as you probably have noticed, because I've been posting a lot of other things here on TikTok. I hope to do a live paint party on TikTok soon that will show that I'm getting motivated, but I haven't done one in a while, so hopefully I'll be doing that here soon. I hope you have enjoyed this showcase. I will bid you farewell. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.